The E-7A weapon system is the aircraft of choice to replace the current fleet of E-3 Airborne Warning and Control System, or AWACS, platforms. The E-7 has advanced airborne moving target indication and battle management, command and control capabilities, and a state-of-the-art radar array. Andrew Hunter, Assistant Secretary of the Air Force for Acquisition, Technology, and Logistics, says the E-7A will be the department's principal airborne sensor to provide information for Joint Force commanders. The service is using a rapid prototyping acquisition process to get the first 2 aircraft. The Department of the Air Force issued guidance outlining privacy for pregnancies and administrative absence for non-covered reproductive health care. The policy defines reproductive health care as lawfully available assisted reproductive technology and non-covered abortions. The updated policy helps members who may need to travel greater distances, take more time away from work, and pay higher out-of-pocket expenses because of their specific duty location. Routine pregnancy notification to commanders is eliminated. Profiles will no longer be labeled pregnancy, but instead as medical. The change ensures commanders use objectivity and discretion when handling reproductive health care information. 37 African nations came together for the 12th annual African Air Chiefs Symposium hosted in Senegal. U.S. Air Force's Africa sponsored the event. It's a multinational security cooperation initiative featuring workshops and cultural activities to promote more effective military relationships. This year's symposium featured small group sessions and a senior enlisted leader forum. Air Force Chief of Staff General C.Q. Brown Jr. says the symposium aims to increase dialogue between partnering nations, help bridge capabilities, and enhance peace. That's your look around the Air Force. I'm Technical Sergeant Britt Crowley.